What a rainy night. We got kind of flooding everywhere as well because it's raining so hard. And it's a Friday. It looks like every day it's going to be 80 to 90% rain, chance of rain. Actually, I said 80 to 99%, which is pretty crazy. But I haven't been on the street in a while, Barra, and it's kind of interesting. I saw a lot of construction. I went to the construction. I think they're going to expand it and make it a little bit bigger. And then you have all these lights on everywhere as well.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
And the introduction, of course. Camera just stopped actually, so that might still be a good spot. So yeah, we're basically driving in the rain about 9:30 at night. I usually don't film at night, but I thought in some ways it's kind of beautiful. And I'm going to go over the bridge as well, and the bridge is kind of flooding as well. I was getting a lot of drag on it when I came across it the other way, so I thought I'd capture. Oh, okay, got a green. Look at this, they got all this construction in here everywhere. I don't know what they're doing exactly. Whoa, look at all that flooding right there. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, this is kind of a low-lying area as well, so that's kind of why we're in the flooding like that. Yeah, you can see in the Jeep in front of me just how, oh dang, all that stuff too. I should roll down the window and catch it. Oh, I bet if I roll down the window, I will get soaked. Let's try and see. Whoa, 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 whoa. My arm is all wet. Oh, these guys on motorcycles, they're, I just saw one of them put his foot down. Oh man. So you can see all the flooding right next to me, right? I wanted to roll down the window, but the rain is just coming in so quick. Yeah, my arm is just wet. So we're gonna sit in this rain. Yeah, the windshield wiper is just going so fast and they're just not quite cleaning it up. So we're gonna be going over a bridge, and we're also gonna be going in Barra. So just so you know, this whole area, I just was reading about it today, is gonna be revamped into kind of like, I don't know the whole vision yet, but it's gonna be like a creative zone. And the Barra station is pretty massive. They already are doing a lot of work down there. And there's Amma Temple down here, and the Moorish barracks. There's quite a bit already in here, including a Navy place. The rain is so loud that I have to yell so you can hear me. So we got kind of a dark spot right here, and then we're gonna start going over the bridge. And the bridge was also kind of washed out with rains as well. So I don't know what it'll look like when it's on the YouTube internet, but I'm gonna film it anyways, and we'll just see. I think we're gonna get some good views up there anyways, as we often do. There's Barra to the left, that's the station. The visibility is hard to see. I just saw these giant windows, and they still have all the taped up big large windows for the typhoons. Oh! Yeah, a lot of construction, so you can see all this will be gone sometime, but you got construction on both sides. And I'm gonna come over to the Taipa side. Oh, look at that. That one went through that giant puddle right there. Oh, it's just flooding right there. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going uphill and fighting the water in the rain. Oh man. Yeah, to the side. I guess you can see that, but I'm just like picking up water everywhere. So we're going over the Saivan Bridge. And usually you can see the Macau Tower right there, but I think the visibility is so non-existent that I doubt if you can really see it very well. See, I was kind of surprised because this bridge, you know, I wouldn't think there'd be much water on the top of the bridge, and there is. Like right now we're probably at the top peak, right? But there's so much rainfall. And then as we go down the bridge, it'll get more, you know, we start going downhill too, right? So it kind of builds up more rain as we go downhill. So as we go down, I expect to see some pretty large puddles. And yeah, the rain is so loud I have to yell. Really have to yell. Let me see, I think this bus is going to try to come into my lane. Oh. I don't know what the bus is doing. You see that bus? The visibility is so poor, you can barely see. I think we ought to slow down because there's almost everybody has their lights on up there. Are they going through water or something? Oh, look at all the water coming off. Oh man, like I can see it to the side. Let me see if I can turn the camera that way. Do you see the signs over there? Whoa! Whoa! See all that water just splashing up from that car, right? So we're all just splashing up tons of water, myself included. That's why everybody's going so slow, because they're just splashing up water. But I can also see it like the bridge to the left. I do wish it was in the daytime. I think it'd be better filming. But on the other hand, probably the visibility wouldn't be that great then either. Because the windshield is just filled with water. So what I'm going to do on the other side is I'm just going to keep the camera on, and I'm going to go through Macau, Taipa. I want to see what it looks like in the downtown area as well. That's really something. So now we're going to start going downhill again. So I'm going to guess the water is going to be accumulating quite a bit in this tunnel over here. But on the other hand, the water doesn't go through the tunnel at the top, so it might actually give a little bit of a break. See the water there though. Oh! Okay. I should be in the, well, that bus is just kicking up water everywhere. It's oh, dang, 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 dang. I kind of need to be in this left lane because I'm going to take a left here in a second. God, it's wet. Oh! Oh man! So okay, so we're gonna get into the lights of the city and go through the rain as well. And I feel sorry for those guys on bikes. You can also see the lightning as well. I was wondering what that was. Earlier I saw some flashes of lights, and I was kind of wondering what that was. It's thunder and lightning. You can barely hear it because the rain is so loud, but I can hear the thunder right now. I don't know if the camera will capture it because I'm yelling so loud and the rain is so loud. Okay, so we're going to be going into Taipa. It's kind of like their centro, their downtown. And I'm gonna keep the camera on. Oh, kind of a nice relief right there. Okay, good. Got that thing up above, blocking it. That was nice. Yeah, I don't know what this will look like on the camera, but I think it has some value, just capturing how hard it can rain. And I don't see it rain this hard like this very often, but it's going to be raining a lot, so I might try to capture the rain on some other days as well in the daytime. Guy's lucky he got a taxi. So let's see. Yeah, it's so much, the visibility is so low. But we basically are in the downtown right now. I'm gonna stick this direction just because I think there'll be more lighting. So I don't know how well you can see things with a visibility like this. But we're kind of going through, oh man, that would be tough to be on a bike like that. This video could be a little bit long, but I think it's, I want to go down this other area called Taipa village. So I'm going to keep the camera on because there's a lot more density right in there as well. And it looks good in the camera. Ambulance right there. 2 ambulances. Okay, so we're going down Sun Yat-sen Avenida de Sun Yat-sen, which is kind of a major north-south thoroughfare. And we're gonna go in the roundabout right here, and then we're gonna go down this little area called Taipa Village, and then I'm gonna see what that looks like, because it's kind of dense and it's some lights, lots of lights down there. So okay. We're gonna head down this road right here. Oh man, some walkers. Yeah, the visibility is not so good. Right here is the Firecracker Museum to the right, and then once we get past it, there's be a lot of tourists usually near Kunyagai, which is like a food street. Wow. A lot of times you'll see pedestrians in this area, but you don't really see it at all tonight. Good night to stay in the house. Yeah, actually this area right here will have a lot of tourists that are usually in the street. And I was just kind of curious to walk down here because drive down here because well, these days you can't really drive in this area very well because the rain is so heavy. I mean the tourist number. That street right there in particular is called Kunigai, and that's usually just filled with tourists. So yeah, even this street is, I mean, I thought it would be pretty quiet, but I was just kind of curious if there was any street that would be, that's hard to drive on these days. It's this street. So anyways, we're gonna end it. That's a rainy night in Macau. The rain is just pouring off of there. I'm gonna drive just a little bit further because the street is Regador Street, which is also pretty popular with tourists. So these days it's like kind of sidewalks are filled with people, but not today. Lots of rain. So anyways, a rainy night in Macau. Feels like it's raining all over the world. Should play that song real loud after I turn off the camera. Otherwise I got copyright infringement issues. Okay. So yeah, give me some feedback if you made it all to the end. Just say, yeah, I made it all the way to the end and I watched the whole thing. Kind of curious if you did. Don't know how the quality in the rain, I don't know, but maybe it's interesting on some level. Alright, so we're going to drive into these tall buildings and I'm going to turn off the camera.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.